Alright, so this is Tuesday Magic Lessons tutorial. Okay, so this is Tutorial Tuesday. And I'm gonna just describe today. It's a Tutorial Lesson Tuesday, and I'm gonna describe today what's the difference between a turnover and a double lift, or a double turnover and a double lift. So let me demonstrate. This is a double turnover, like here. Sorry, that was kind of shady. That's a double turnover, okay? And a double, I explained it before on my channel, it's just lifting up 2 cards as one, really. There you got the 21. Double lift is when you keep it partly on the deck. And just like that. There's a couple different ways to do the double lift. One of the most, double turnovers, I mean, one of the best ways is to keep it on the deck. Double lift is when you keep it on the deck. The double turnovers is when it leaves the deck, if I get that wrong. Can't remember, I have bad memory sometimes, it escapes me. But, see, that's a double turnover, double lift, and this is a double turnover. And also that's another way to do it. Now, since this is tutorial, Lesson Tuesday, I will teach you how that double lift is done. Basically, you need a B deck, or one that has without borders and has smooth finish. Okay, and you don't need the whole deck for this. It can be missing a few cards, but what I do is if you want to make it into a little trick, you put the jack and the ace on top of the deck. Do a little bit of a false cut. The way that I do it is I hold it in middle grip with my fingers like this, kind of like I'm doing the love sign, and the rock on sign with the deck. Finger picks up a third of the deck, puts in my thumb crotch here, and then it re-grips it in middle grip like this with the pinky here, the 3 fingers here on the side, 4 finger coming up through the front, and the left thumb on the side. And then, again, you lift it up like this, and then you kind of spread your fingers. Your thumb goes here, your ring finger picks up at the bottom. You grab the middle packet with your thumb deep in the crotch, comes out, and then you do the top and then the middle. But fast, it looks like you're giving the deck a full cut. And again, just like that. And that's how you're keeping the deck in complete order. And then the double lift, it'll turn on what I'm going to do. Double lift in this case is and this is really hard to do. I taught it by Luke Dancy. You can learn in penguinmagic.com if you want the better explanation and more clear and crisp, but with a better background. But basically, you're pushing over 2 cards as one with your thumb. The crotch of your thumb is not the crotch, but the tip of your thumb, the edge of it, is pushing over the ball. That's what I meant. And then you clean it up here with your 2 fingers at the same time. Your middle finger and your thumb, and then your 4 finger kind of pushes here. And then you're holding it like this with your thumb here, middle finger at the edge, other finger, your pointer finger on the bottom. You can lift it off the deck completely, kind of lift it up there. You can totally do that, lift it off of that completely for a double lift or a double turnover, which David Blaine does. You kind of use it around your corner, use the pad of your thumb, the base of your thumb to do it. And that even applies for the double lift. That squares it up too. And then do that. And then you snap. And then do the 21. You add a pattern to that, or storytelling, which is a form of magic dialogue. And you want to put it, there's storytelling, there's comedy you can do in storytelling. I have a explanation for that, lessons for that. But, and I have a playlist like magic lessons. But, for example, let's say, well, I'm really good at blackjack, really good at 21. For example, I can cut one right to it, and for example, I got the Joker here and the Ace, and I can do a twirl change, and the Ace really is the wild card, and the Queen and the Jack is the Joker, and then I can split it and then get 21. I'm not going to tell you how I did that. There was a mistake, but a accidental magic performance rather than a mistake, I'll call it that. But I hope that helps you understand how that's done and entertained you. And that's it. Alright, well, as always, stay happy, stay healthy, and cheers.